JavaScript Fundamentals. JavaScript Language Construct. A language construct is a syntactically allowable part of a program that may be formed from one or more lexical tokens in accordance with the rules of a programming language. A. Types. Types are one of the main foundation of a programming language. Many execution errors in JavaScript are type errors. For example, when we try to multiply a number by a string, we get a silent error in the form of not a number returned. Have you ever called a function and received the error undefined is not a function? This happens when we try to access a property that is not defined. B. Operators. Operators are symbols that perform operation on variable and values. For example, plus is an operator used for additional, while is also an operator used for multiplication. Operators in Java can be classified into 5 types. 1. Arithmetic operators. 2. Assignment operators. 3. Relational operator. 4. Logical operators. 5. Unary operators. 6. Bitwise operators. C. Flow control. Generally, the statements inside your Java code are executed from top to bottom in the order that they appear. Control flow statement. Change or break the flow of execution by implementing decision making, looping, and branching your program to execute particular blocks of code based on the condition. D. Classes. Everything in Java is associated with classes and objects along with its attributes and methods. For example, in real life, a car is an object. The car has attributes such as weight and color, and methods such as a drive and brake. A class is like an object, constructor, or a blueprint for creating objects. E. Packages and interfaces. Packages Chatzinism to group the similar type of classes, interfaces, and sub-packages and provide access control. It organizes classes into single unit. In Java already many predefined packages are available used while programming. Interfaces. 1. Interfaces is similar to class but it contains only abstract method. 2. By default, the variables declared in an interface and are public. 3. Static and final. 3. Interface is a mechanism to achieve full abstraction. F. Integrated development environment. An integrated development environment is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities to computer programmers for software development. An IDE normally consists of at least a source code editor, build automation tools, and debugger. Some IDE such as a NetBeans and Eclipse contain the necessary compiler, interpreter, or both. Others such as Sharp Develop and Lazarus. 2. Sample JavaScript program code structures. Much like you understand already from writing HTML and CSS, JavaScript is simple written in plain text. This would be perfectly valid JavaScript in HTML page.